Sometimes you get a good video idea, and then you step outside and say, that's not gonna work. So I guess while it's blizzarding, we will do something different. The pond up there needs to be broken, so we need to de-thaw that. These guys are doing okay. They've got plenty of hay, so we'll break that pond, and then we need to head to the store and grab them something that I've been meaning to for a while now. What do you think, Wolf? You like the snow? There you go, buddy. I need to put a chain on this. Whenever we get a real strong north wind, this gate wants to close on me until I can push it all the way to the other side, and then the wind keeps it open. Well, look at that. It's not iced over after all. It was pretty warm yesterday, so it's not too bad. It's starting to freeze up on this side, you can tell, but all that is thawed, so don't need to break ice today. A lot of you guys have asked if we have any help, and we absolutely do. We have 6 kids, and breaking ice over there is one of their chores. I wanted to give them a little bit of a break this morning because they are out visiting grandparents, but it looks like I didn't have to do anything after all. So let's head off to the store and get something that I had been meaning to for a while. This is what I need right here. This one over here is a 16% protein, and this is a 24% protein. So I want to try this one out. We also need some pine shavings for the chickens. All loaded up now. Let's head home and I'll explain what I'm doing with this protein tub. You want to try it out already. Gotta get the plastic off though first. So what this is a protein tub, they call this. It basically has minerals in it. It's got grain and it's got like molasses. So it's really, really sweet. What it's designed to do is kind of help with their nutrition. It's basically a supplement to the hay, and it brings up the protein level in them. So the reason why I'm doing this is I'll give credit to Cross Timbers Bison. Check him out if you haven't already. But he posted a video not too long ago about trying out these protein tubs. I've been thinking about doing this for a while now. But basically, these girls are going to start breeding come next spring and summer. So I want to be able to get their weight up and make sure that they are heavy enough that they can actually take on and handle that fetus. But typically with bison, they need to be somewhere around 700 pounds in order for their body to be able to take on the challenge of raising a baby inside of it. So having a little bit more protein is not going to hurt anything. There is a little bit of a controversy whether or not to push these animals in their weight. One of the reasons would be that bison are designed to lose somewhere around 5 to 10% of their body weight in the winter. And that is actually good for them. Their metabolism slows down. But what I want to do with these guys is just kind of experiment. I know a lot of guys who do this and they will actually supplement feed also, but I want to give them just a little bit of something as opposed to just solely feeding them hay. And I want to watch their body condition and see if it's something that we want to continue doing, or if it's something that we would just want to quit and keep going with the hay. So it is experiment time on the Bison Ranch. Anytime you introduce new feed or anything like this, it's always a little bit of a transition period. They actually didn't like range cubes when I first introduced range cubes to them. I had to have a sweet feed mixed in with the range cubes, and now don't need the sweet feed at all. They love the range cubes. This is going to be the same type of thing. So we'll see how fast they actually go down with this. It's not too expensive, but like I said, it's just a supplement. So we'll see how fast they eat this down, and then from there watch their body condition and maybe purchase some more if we like it. You're asking for trouble trying to get into the bison fence, Wolf. You better stay out. That is black feather right there. That's the one we treated not too long ago. You can see that her eye doesn't look like she's gonna have vision in it. It's pretty glazed over and everything, but it does look like it's healing. It's not draining or anything like that. I think that she is going to be permanently blind in that one side. She is definitely blind in that one side right now. And some of you guys have asked if they can get a little dangerous or skittish because of that. I would say yes. Definitely had one instance to where I was on her blind side, I would say, and then she jumped out of the way and it seemed a little sketchy. So we're gonna watch out for her, but she will be fine. Even if she is permanently blind for the rest of her life, she will still be okay. Wolf is always asking for trouble. Wolf, leave him alone. Go on, go home, go home. He likes picking on Little River a lot for some reason. He thinks that he has a fighting chance with her, but he doesn't. Little River is getting to be friendly too. Go home, Wolf. This hay pile here is covered up with snow pretty good. This one right here, they've got plenty. That will last them for, I would say, somewhere around a week. So we're good for now. So far it's been working out for the hay that we bought for this year. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 bales left. So been going through about every week and a half, 2 weeks a bale. So that's on par for the rest of the year. If we get short, I am planning on getting the front field fenced. So we will have forage on the ground for them if we do get short. But I think we have enough for the year that we don't need to worry about that. What do you think, Wolf? Are you warm enough? It's always crazy to me how animals can take temperatures like this and blizzard conditions like this and be perfectly fine and actually enjoy it. The buffalo always worry me whenever we have conditions like this, but they don't mind. They actually start playing in the field a lot when we have conditions like this. And Wolf definitely loves it, don't you, Wolf? The pond's still not filling up yet. Maybe we'll get some drainage from all this snow melting. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.